Begin by allowing your body to get more comfortable wherever you are right now. Take some full, slow breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Allow any distracting thoughts to come and go as if you're watching them floating down a stream, and guide your attention back to your slow and easy breathing. When you're ready, breathe in and make a tight fist with your right hand. Hold and focus on what that tension feels like to you. Now, breathe out and release all the tension in the fist. Let your hand become nice and loose. Again, make a tight fist with the right hand and hold it. Then, let the tension and the hand relax fully. Focus on what your hand feels like to you when it is relaxed. Next, slowly breathe in and bring your right forearm up to your shoulder and tighten your upper arm. Hold. Now, breathe out and release. Again, make a muscle with your right arm. Hold and focus on what the tension feels like in your upper arm. Now, breathe out slowly and relax your arm. Breathe in, and now make a tight fist with your left hand. Hold the tension. Exhale and release. Let the tightness and discomfort flow all the way out of your hand. Again, make a tight fist with your left hand and hold. Exhale and release. Breathe in again and bring the left forearm up to your shoulder to make a muscle. Hold and focus on the tension in your arm. Slowly breathe out and release. Notice how that feels. Again, make a muscle with your left arm and hold it there. Now exhale and release. Now take a long breath in and raise your eyebrows as high as they will go. Hold. Exhale and release, letting relaxation smooth across your forehead. Breathe in again and raise your eyebrows as high as they will go. Hold. Release and breathe out slowly. Next, squeeze your eyes tightly shut and make a tight smile. Notice how that tension feels. Breathe out and release, relaxing your eyes and cheeks. Breathe in again and squeeze your eyes closed. Hold. Exhale and release the tension. Now, slowly open your mouth wide and hold it there. Exhale and release. Notice what that feels like to you. Again, open your mouth and hold. Release and breathe out slowly. Next, slowly and carefully pull your head back as though you are looking up at the ceiling. Hold. Exhale and slowly return your head to whatever position is most comfortable to you. Study what that relaxation feels like to you. Again, breathe in and pull your head back slowly. Hold. Exhale and slowly release. Inhale and push your shoulders up towards your ears. Hold them there for a moment. Exhale and release. Let all of the tightness flow completely out of your shoulders. Again, breathe in and bring your shoulders up. Hold them there for a moment. Exhale and release. Let all of the tightness flow completely out of your shoulders. Now, breathe in and push your shoulder blades back, trying to almost touch them together. Hold that tension. Now, exhale, letting your shoulders and chest relax all at once. Again, push your shoulder blades back and your chest forward. Hold. Release and breathe out slowly. Breathe in slowly. And now let your chest and stomach expand all the way, like a balloon filling with air. Hold. Slowly exhale, releasing all the tension from your chest and stomach. Again, breathe in fully and let your stomach and chest push out. Exhale and release. Next, tighten your thighs so that you're pushing yourself up a bit out of your chair and hold. Exhale and release. taking note of what it feels like in your upper legs. Again, tighten up your thighs and hold. Exhale and release. Now, slowly pull the toes on your right foot up toward your shin, stretching your calf muscle. Hold the tension. Exhale and release. Again, pull your toes up, tightening your calf muscle, and hold. And release. And breathe out slowly, noticing what that right foot now feels like to you. Breathe in, and now curl the toes of the right foot downwards and hold that tension. Exhale and release. Again, curl the toes of your right foot downwards and hold. Exhale and release, and study what that feels like. Next, slowly pull the toes on your left foot up toward your shin, stretching your calf muscle. Hold the tension. Exhale and release. Again, slowly pull your toes up, tightening your calf muscle, and hold. Exhale and release. Breathe in, and now curl the toes of the left foot downwards. Hold. Exhale and release. Again, curl the toes of your left foot downwards and hold. Breathe out slowly and release. You have done a great job going through this relaxation exercise. Continue to take some slow, easy breaths. For the next few moments, just notice what your body feels like and enjoy the success you've had in being able to relax your body. Keep that feeling with you throughout the day and remember how good it can feel to be relaxed in your body. Whenever you're ready, take some time to slowly wiggle your muscles around a little. Then, count backwards from 5 to 1 to end this exercise.